filming now, huh? You're already filming, Lucky, so you didn't wait for me. Anyway, guess what? Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. Today is a beautiful day. Oh, I'm so silly, don't I? Hey, I figure if I take care one of my plants every day, all the plants need to be cared for. So I figure, why do one a week? Between my other jobs, all my plants will be well taken care. So what we're gonna take care today, this bird of paradise. Bird of paradise, I believe, is being reported there is at least 300 species in the United States, and all kinds of different types, small ones, big ones, all kinds. So, but I had this one, and this one is white. Look at this. It's white color. This is beautiful white, but it's dry already. Look at this. This is a beautiful white. I got this bird of paradise maybe 15 years ago from a landscaping job. Somebody was throwing it out, and I brought it here and I put it here. And bird of paradise are very similar to banana plants. And when I was growing up, I grown up in a banana farm. I mean, acres and acres and acres of bananas. That's what my family did for a living, banana farm. So I know a little bit about bird paradise. They produce similar to the bananas. They get tall, they bloom, the blooms die, and they start getting ugly. So what you need to do, you need to keep cutting. When they get 6-7 foot high, you just cut them, okay? Cut it, and then you give a chance to this to be beautiful and flourish. But also they need fertilizer, okay? They need some fertilizer, and they're very easy to care for. So we're gonna take this one down, and you better be careful, Lucas, because might fall on top of you.
Oh, fun.
Yeah, you wanna do the shoveling, or I do it?
I'll let you do it.
Okay, thank you. So anyway, so I remember doing this when I was growing up. A banana grows tall, has the bananas. When the bananas are right to be cut, to put in the trailers, and trailers, they wrap in newspapers and put in trailers, thousands and thousands and thousands of bananas. At the same time, they chop the plant down and they put it on the floor, on the ground. When they do that, the new ones come out right next to. And this is what they do. You see over here, these ones over here, they're dead. They're dead, and then these babies are coming out from here. You see that? So when these get old, you don't have to, but that's what I like doing. When they get old, I'm cutting it down and letting these babies get beautiful and start all over. So I've been cleaning here. You can see that. I had this wheelbarrow full of stuff that I clean all the stuff, the roots and everything. I've been cleaning this bird paradise. So all I gotta do now is, come on, baby. Ah! There you go. You see that? Ah!
You almost killed me.
You're such a liar. One little banana is not gonna kill you, Luca. Okay, this one is down. I'm gonna put it right over here to cut it in pieces and take it to the compost pile across the street. So there you go. I hope I don't hurt the babies. I didn't mean to. No, they look okay.
I see Squishy.
Okay. Hello, Lucas. So what you guys do is very important. You clean everything. These plants prefer to be in the ground than in pots. Of course. Oh, hi plane! Go faster! Making too much noise. Okay, let's get serious now, okay? Too much joking around. Okay, these plants prefer to be in the ground. Okay, this bird paradise But you live in a place where you cannot have it, you better have a big pot and at least repairing every 3-4 years, because they have a lot of roots and the roots are very thick. You see this? This is the root system they have. So all these roots and debris from there. So other thing you need to do is very important is just go like this around, okay? Okay, so you make it like a little, just like that. Okay, around. You're not hearing the plant. You cannot kill these babies. Go like this. Okay, go around the plant in a circle, just like that. Just like that. Okay. Like that. Come on. Just like that. That's what I used to do to bananas. Bananas when I was growing up. Come on down. Okay. So you do like this, and then you go like this. Come on. Don't give me hard time. Okay, like that. Okay. Just like that. So after you do this, okay, just like this. Okay, so you can use this fertilizer. This is the best fertilizer they like, Blood Milk. Okay, so it's a Lowe's and it's a Home Depot. So what you do, you want to keep it healthy, just go like this. Okay, right next to the root system, like this, and this baby is gonna be happy can be. So that's it. So what you do is cover it up, cover the fertilizer. Cover it up like this, and now this plant is happy. It's gonna have some food, clean all the mess that was here, that was taking energy from these babies. Okay, so just like this. And the best thing, oh, I find food. Look at this. If I crack this, might be something to eat. Oh no, it's just dirt. Never mind. I need to cover this side over here. And now, like I said, these plants are very beautiful. They can go by the pool area, in a corner of the house. Can you see me, Lucas?
I can.
Now you can see me, huh? So it's all covered. So the best way to clean these plants, the best way to clean them, you have to clean them, like that, will be a butter knife, like this one, forever sharp. And then my husband wonder where his knives are. This is my garden knives. And my husband said, you see my knife? No. You don't take it? No. Oh, I don't know what it is. I don't know either. So the best way to clean it is with this knife. Look how easy. Look how easy. You see that? Look at this. See that? The best way to clean them, you need to clean that stuff that is dead. Look at that. Just comes out easy. the best way to clean it. You see, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna cut a leaf to show you this one, okay? So what you do, you just go like this. See that? Nice. That's how they cut it. Look at this. See that? That's the easy way to cut it with knife. And keep it clean. Keep it very clean. Now I gotta take care of the mess and this mess. So the next thing we need to do to this baby is make sure it's clean. Make sure we put some water. Okay, so why is it not working, Lucas? Oh, we don't. I know why. Okay, I fix it. Thank you.
I just want to run it over there.
I already fixed it. Thank you. Okay, now hope we have water. Yeah, we have water now. Okay. Okay, now look at this. They're all happy. We're gonna put some water and make sure everything is okay. And this is how you clean your bird of paradise. And I have some mother-in-law plant back there, or a snake plant. The kind that goes well. Okay. And I guess this is it for today. This is how you clean it. Now I gotta go and clean my mess. My mess that I made cleaning my plants. Oh, I want to say hi to somebody. I just remembered. I want to say hi to Paula. And where she lives? In Venice. Hi, Paula. Your daughter was here Saturday. She was very sweet girl. And very nice sweet girl. Hi. You're watching my videos, I know that. Hi, Paula in Venice, Florida. So after you fertilize it, you put some water, a little bit, in the trench, okay? And then your plant is gonna be healthy. Let it grow maybe 6 feet, 5 feet again. And then when it gets to control, cut it and clean it, and there it is. See that? And then you have to clean all the kind of mess. And remember, I know we're talking about bird of paradise, but just a quick reminding, desert roses are not observing, desert roses are not taking water. What I mean, you water them, they are still dormant. So you water them, they're not taking the water in, so you have to wait until the spring. When they start growing, they will start taking water. Right now, they're not absorbing water, okay? So be careful. And bye-bye from Maria's garden. Until next time.